All you want is for YouTube to start pushing your videos. You want the algorithm to start recommending your videos to the right people, right? You are tired of posting videos. You are tired of getting low views. You are tired of refreshing YouTube Studio every single minute, hoping that the views will increase. You are tired of seeing small creators getting thousands of views while your videos struggle to get noticed. You just want your channel to grow. I understand. You just want YouTube to finally recognize your content. And guess what? The truth I'm about to reveal to you might surprise you. It's not even YouTube that decides whether your videos get pushed or not. It's the algorithm. Yes, the algorithm. And the funny thing is that many creators talk about the algorithm every single day without actually understanding what it is. What exactly is the algorithm? Is it a person? Can you see it? Can you touch it? Can you call it on phone if possible to push your videos? The answer is no. Right? So what exactly is this thing everybody keeps talking about? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain it in the simplest way possible. I'm also going to show you exactly what I did that helped one of my videos to get over 60,000 views. No fake promises, not theory, not motivation. The real things that actually worked for me. And if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, make sure you watch this video till the end, because one of these things I'm about to review might be the reason why your videos are not getting recommended. Now let's get into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to another video of mine. My name is Princess Nikki, and on this channel I teach YouTube growth, monetization and content creation, and I'm going to teach you the successful way you can grow your YouTube channel. Now let's talk about the algorithm. The algorithm simply means the system YouTube uses to decide which videos to recommend to viewers on the homepage, suggested video or search engine. Let me make it simpler. The algorithm is YouTube's way of understanding your content. It studies your videos, it studies your viewers, it studies how people react when they see your content. Then it decides whether your video should be shown to more people or not. That's why sometimes you see a small channel with only few subscribers getting thousands of views. The algorithm found people who enjoy the content and kept recommending it. Now, here is the good news. You cannot see the algorithm, you cannot watch it, neither can you call it or send it a message, but you can definitely get its attention. And today, I'm going to show you how exactly you can get the algorithm attention. Now, before I show you the 3 things that helped me to get attention of the algorithm, let me show you proof, because I don't like talking without evidence. Let me share my screen. As you can see right here, one of my videos got over 60,000 views. Now it's 67.7 thousand views. The same video brought me 3.4k watch hour. Now I know some people might be thinking maybe it's because you already had a big channel. No, look at my subscribers. My subscribers is just 3,000 something. I don't have a celebrity channel. This wasn't a celebrity channel. I don't even have millions of subscribers. The difference was that I started understanding what the algorithm wanted. And once I understood that, things started changing. So let's talk about the exact thing that I did. Okay, the first thing is that I improved my thumbnail and my titles. And honestly, many creators are losing views because of this alone. You can create the best videos in the world. You can spend 5 hours editing. You can give amazing information, but if nobody clicks on the video, YouTube cannot help you push it. Think of your thumbnail and title as the packaging of your content. The algorithm first shows your video to a small group of people. If people click, YouTube sees that is a positive signal. If people ignore it, YouTube assumes that they are not interested. That means that your thumbnail and your title are extremely important. When I started creating more curiosity-driven titles and thumbnail, my click-through rate improved. More clicks led to more recommendation, and more recommendation led to more views. So ask yourself, would I click on my own thumbnail if I saw this thing on YouTube? Will I click? If the answer is no, improve it. And if you don't know how to create eye-catchy thumbnail, drop it on the comment section. I will do a video about that. The second thing is that I kept people watching. I focus on what my audience needed. Okay, most creators focus only on getting clicks, but getting clicks is only half the battle. When somebody clicks your video, YouTube starts paying attention. Did they leave after 10 seconds? or did they leave after 30 seconds, or did they stay until the end? The longer people stay on your video, the more YouTube believes that your content is valuable. This is why the hook is very, very important. The first 15 to 30 seconds of your video can make or break your success. Stop spending 2 minutes talking about unrelated thing. Get straight to the value. Tell viewers exactly what they should keep watching. Give them a reason to sit and stay and watch. The more people watch, the more the algorithm pays attention. Am I making sense? Then that takes me to the third thing that I did. I stayed consistent. This is one of the things that most people don't want to hear. Consistency. Many creators quit too early. They upload 5 videos and nothing happens. They disappear into thin air till after 10 years before they will come back. Others upload today and come back 3 weeks later. Then they wonder why their channel isn't growing. The algorithm learns from your content over time. Every video you upload gives YouTube more information about your channel. The more quality content you upload consistently, the easier it becomes for YouTube to understand who should watch your videos. When my views were low, I kept posting. When nobody seemed interested, I kept posting. When I felt discouraged, I kept. In short, I posted 3 to 4 times a day. And eventually, one video took off. This is not the only viral video I have on this channel. Because another one. That's how growth usually happens on YouTube. It's not overnight, but over time. Alright? Clap it. Now, let me give you a bonus tip. Stop obsessing over views. I know that sounds strange, but just clean your ear and hear me out. Many creators spend more time checking analytics every 2 minutes instead of improving your content. Instead of refreshing your YouTube studio every 2 minutes, spend time and learn. Learn better editing, learn better storytelling, learn better thumbnail design, learn better title writing. The algorithm loves content that viewers enjoy, so focus on becoming a better creator. When you focus on becoming a better creator, definitely the views will be massive. The views will follow. So in conclusion, if you're struggling right now, remember this: the algorithm is not your enemy. The algorithm is simply looking for content that viewers like watching. Your job is to help the algorithm understand who your channel is for. Focus on creating better thumbnails. Focus on writing stronger titles. Focus on keeping viewers engaged. Stay consistent. Keep learning from other bigger creators. Keep improving. And most importantly, I normally say this: put God first and don't give up, because the next video can be the video that will change your channel forever. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss any future uploads. And let me know in the comment section, what is your biggest challenge on YouTube right now? I will help you. My name is Princess Nikki. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.